Hello everyone, this is my mini project 1 AI or JavaScript joke generator. The purpose of this project is to create an interactive web application that fetches a random joke from external API and display them dynamically on the web page. So in this project I have used HTML for the structure, CSS for styling and JavaScript for the functionality. So let's go ahead. So this is my HTML page. Here HTML is used to create a structure. So this, let's start. So this is my div. This is big container with class container. This is main part of this UI. Uh, with this container one is this one, this big div. And inside this div, we have this smaller div with icon which carries this emoji, and under this we have this h1 tag. This is used for the title here, and next we have this div. This is taken to display the fetched joke here. Here the random jokes will be displayed. And next we have this div which carries all three button. So here is button, this is generate button, this is this one, and next we have this button id copy button. This is made for this, and we have this like button, this is for this one. And after that I have closed my divs. Now let's move to the css part. This is our CSS page. CSS makes web page visually attractive. So first we have this body with display flags, justify content center, align item center. So these two aligns these item in center. One aligns horizontally and one aligns it vertically. Then we have this gradient background, gives a modern colorful background. And next we have this container styling, makes this look more effective. And next we have this icon here. Not much style is added, only font size and color is given to it. Also this shadow, and this is title for um, styling this heading one. Next we have this joke. This is used to make this white part, which is a small div with class joke, padding 15%, background white, border 10 px, border shadow is for creating a small black effect around it, and with 100% font size 18 px, and then text align in center. The next we have these buttons. This button is like this is given. This button is fetch tagged accessed using this button class. Here you can see this div is accessed. So after this we have this button. It applies the style in all three buttons, like font size, cursor should be pointer, border radius 10 px, border none, padding, etc. This is for generating this joke. Here it is background color linear gradient. As you can see the difference clearly. Here it is light and here it is dark. This is for creating hover effect. As I am taking my cursor, so it is coming up. Now, next we have this copy button with background color, this purple one, and here it is added the hover effect. This is same is done with like button with background color, this, and color is used for this inner text. the hover effect. That's all the CSS contain. And let's move to the main logic part of this project, which is JS part. This is my JS page, which is script.js. So this is for building the logic, that how it will work, and also for adding the functionalities. So let's see first that how this project works. So when I'm clicking on this generate joke button, so it generates a random joke here. And on clicking this copy button, I can copy this joke. After that, on clicking like button, we can like this joke. So this is very simple project. So let's see what we have done for creating this logic. Here const joke div equals to document dot get element by id, this joke. And here we have same for generate button, copy button, and like button. We store HTML elements in variables so JavaScript can control them. Example is this joke div and this generate button, document dot get element by id. Get element by id is, this is the keyword, like we can access the element by using id, and here the id is name. After that we have this count current joke. This variable can store latest joke if we want to reuse it later. So we will store it inside this current joke variable. Next we have this fetch joke function, which is function fetch joke and then parenthesis, the main function to call an API. Inside it, API, this one, API call, fetch sends request to external server that what data actually it wants. And then it converts it into JSON format by using this one. Then res- uh, response, then arrow function response.json. API sends raw response and JSON converts it into usable JavaScript object. Like we can't understand directly the computer languages. So to make it readable for us, we convert it into JSON format. Then we have this display joke, this one joke div dot inner text equals to data dot setup plus this emoji part and that data punchline. Data setup means joke question and data punchline is for joke answer. Example, here you can see this one is written inside data setup and this is data punchline. And this emoji you can see it is same in all of these. So we can take this using, we have used this for displaying it here in between them. Next we have this catch error function. So if API fails, API won't crash. It will show why this error is actually coming. So basically it catches the error. If somehow this link doesn't work, this fetched API doesn't work, then we have this generate button. When user clicks on button, fetch joke runs. On clicking these buttons, that fetch joke will work. That random joke will come one by one. After that, we have this copy button. Copy button dot add event listener. Here we are creating the function, like on clicking the button what function should it perform. So on clicking this button, we will get an alert that joke copied to the clipboard. So to show if it is actually working or not, as you can see, it is actually working. That my joke was copied. Next, we have this um, like button. Where it is? This one. Adds user interaction, and by clicking this, it gives us alert that we have liked this joke. So this was my project, and also I have explained the logic behind it. Hope you understand. So thank you for watching this video.